Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're unpacking the real estate education trap and why beginners feel so overwhelmed. Okay, let's dive into this. Are you stuck in a 2 a.m. spreadsheet loop just totally paralyzed by analysis? Endlessly consuming free guru content isn't helping. Honestly, it's actually freezing your progress and keeping you stuck in neutral. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is our first big myth, believing there's one perfect strategy for everyone. Gurus push complex, rigid tactics as absolute truths, completely ignoring what your actual day-to-day life looks like. But the reality, your strategy absolutely must align with your personal capital, your risk profile, and your available hours. Forcing a trendy strategy when you lack the time or cash doesn't just stall you, it causes severe financial harm. Let's move to and see how this builds into myth number 2, the dangerous idea to buy anywhere out of state. There are over 19,000 U.S. municipalities. That massive scale creates absolute, overwhelming chaos for beginner real estate choices. Blindly picking a market from 19,000 random options is just a guaranteed recipe for total financial disaster. So, the crucial point is, you must narrow down and validate just 1 or 2 geographies using hyperlocal data. Which brings us to lie number 3, believing you need another course and a massive DIY spreadsheet to succeed. This insanely complex spreadsheet nightmare, packed with red error codes, actively traps and frustrates entirely too many beginners. Tackling complex financial data completely alone inevitably leads straight to severe mental fatigue and total investor burnout. And this brilliantly illustrates the vital transition from a chaotic spreadsheet nightmare into clear, peaceful portfolio execution. Here's the ultimate reality shift. Successful beginners must step away from the endless noise of online education courses. What you actually need is an objective, fiduciary partner legally required to put your interests first, guiding you step by step. Imagine the sleek, peaceful clarity of reviewing a professionally curated portfolio roadmap, entirely free from 2 a.m. stress. Pry Consulting is that precise institutional advisory partner, providing this step-by-step absolute clarity for your entire real estate journey. Are you ready to abandon the toxic spreadsheet nightmare and finally build your portfolio with absolute clarity?